These fall expressions will make you love autumn even more. Time to fall into English. The autumn of one's life. The later years of life. He's enjoying the autumn of his life in peace. Turn colors. Leaves changing color in fall. The trees are starting to turn colors this week. Breeze. A light wind. A cool breeze blew through the trees. Misty. Foggy with small water in the air. The park looked magical in the misty morning. Rustle. Soft sound of leaves moving. I heard the rustle of leaves under my feet. Overcast. Cloudy sky, no sun. It's an overcast day, no sun at all. Drizzle. Light rain. A soft drizzle started while we walked. Crunchy. A sound or feeling when stepping on dry leaves or eating crispy food. The leaves are crunchy under my shoes. Sweater weather. The kind of cool weather when you wear sweaters. It's finally sweater weather. Acorn. A small nut from oak trees. Squirrels collect acorns in the fall. Pumpkin spice. A mix of fall spices like cinnamon. I had a pumpkin spice latte today. Crisp. Cool and fresh about weather or air. The air is crisp in the morning. Turn over a new leaf. To start fresh or make a change. This fall, I want to turn over a new leaf and eat healthier.